Steve here with the 𝗟𝗘𝗧𝗦.com, the channel where we help cleaning business owners scale their businesses with systems, controls, tools, and resources. Pricing code formula number 3. So now this here is my third video in a series of 4 that what I'm doing is I'm giving you some pricing codes, some formulas that you can use to arrive at a price point. These are very important to know because it makes your job as far as calculating a price so much easier. So in this video we're going to cover the formula CSF times PPSF equals MB. And what that means is that the CFF is our cleanable square footage, okay? And our PPSF, that's our price per square foot. And the formula is this. So in this example, what we did is that we got 15,000 cleanable square footage. We have a price of 0.095 price per square foot, which equals $1,425. That's our monthly billing. And that's as simple as this formula gets. So whenever you're doing any price per square foot calculating, this is the formula you use. Pretty simple. So again, if we're pricing a location that's 15,000 square feet and we decided to charge 9.5 cents a square foot, our price for that service is going to be $1,425 per month. That's what we're going to invoice them for. So it's really that simple. Now the one thing that you will find out though, using this formula only works when the account qualifies. And what I mean by that is typically it has to be a 5-day per week account and over 10,000 square feet. The reason for that is because it's very hard for you to price an account that is only serviced 1 day per week, 2 days per week, 3 days per week. If it's not over 10,000 square feet and 5 days per week, it just doesn't calculate right. The only way you can really do that is if you actually have accounts that you're currently doing, that you can go back and use some of the other formulas that I've told you to convert that to a square foot price. Then now you can start comparing your square foot prices for those types of accounts. But otherwise it's pretty tough to do. I found that out years ago, that it just wasn't calculating correctly. I wasn't getting enough money for the job. So that's what I learned, and that's why I'm passing it on to you and sharing it with you. So again, it's nice to have our price point, but the whole thing is that we really got to know what our profit is. And the only way we're going to know that is by using the bidding calculators on the 𝗟𝗘𝗧𝗦.com and entering in our price point and our production rate and things like that there, and cleanable square footage and our expenses, and it's going to give us the amount of profit that we're actually going to make on this account. So it's very, very important that we do that. So if we don't know our profit that we're making on every job that we're doing, then why are you even doing the job if you're just guessing that you're going to make a 15% profit? We don't want to guess. We have to know exactly what we're making for profit. That's what's going to keep you in business. So hopefully you got some value from this short video, and if you did, go ahead and feel free to comment and share. And if you have not already, make sure you subscribe and turn on those bell notifications to get the latest updates to the new videos for building a successful cleaning business. Thanks for checking in today, and we'll see you next time.